Hi, I'm Griffin Cataldo, and this report is coming to you from eastern Massachusetts, where the air temperature is 27 degrees tonight in the eastern part of the state. As you take a look over the city, the Zachem Bridge, the buildings, and the black sky in the background. For your weather headlines, winds will drop off tomorrow, but then they'll increase again for Friday. That storm tomorrow that will pass mainly to our south but may clip some areas is going to ramp up our winds by the time we talk about Friday. And in fact, it's looking a bit more impressive than maybe I would have thought last night or a few days before. So that is something that I'm watching closely. For tonight, there'll be some clouds that'll fill in for the first half of the night, but then the second half of the night fares okay. Southern areas clear first and everybody, and then a batch of cirrus clouds will take us through the day tomorrow. Temperatures -1 to 22 degrees out in the Pittsfield Hills and up into the northern Massachusetts. That's where it's going to get the coldest for tonight, and that's because to the northwest is northern Massachusetts and out of the Pittsfield Hills to the northwest of those areas is where actually the coldest air mass exists. And so because of that, it's going to be a bit colder the northwest of those areas than, say, the city of Boston or even down south. Southern areas like New Haven, Connecticut tonight, there'll be a bit on the warmer side as well. The warmest will be the Cape because we'll have a bit of a northwesterly breeze for tonight. That'll be a bit off the water, so it'll keep them snug at about 22 degrees versus the city tonight could actually get pretty cold at about 11 degrees. New Haven, Connecticut, somewhere in the middle with the winds west-northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. That 15 is going to be about now and will be decreasing as we head through the evening. For tomorrow, it's sun early and then clouds increase. We got that storm down to the south of us with temperatures 20 to 31 degrees and the winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. They'll be higher in the afternoon, especially at night, and then eventually once we head into Friday, where I think we could end up taking 15, 25 mile per hour winds through the day on Friday. So I'd say like 5 to 10 through your afternoon of tomorrow, and then by the time we get towards 6, 7 o'clock, that's when we'll be inching more towards 10, and then eventually higher as we head into the evening. So we are watching some snow, and this is going to be mainly south of us, but it is looking like it's going to clip the Cape and perhaps even the city of Boston with maybe a dusting of snow. The best chance for snow is going to be the Cape and Nantucket, where we're going to have snow for the longest amount of time, and this is going to come in around 10 a.m. in the morning or so and kind of persist throughout the whole day and then be over with by the time we talk about early Friday morning. This is for the Cape and Nantucket. For the city of Boston, I think it's more of a cloudy day, and I don't think the snow really gets here until we talk about maybe early Friday morning before the sun comes up. That would be your best chance of getting a quick powder of snow on the ground. But otherwise, I'm not too concerned about it inland. It's really going to be the Cape and Nantucket. We'll have to watch that snow. Which I do have a little snowfall map for you. But first, as far as the actual rain contents of the storm, the moisture contents, just 2/10 of an inch. And that's really on Nantucket. And then it's even less inland. So when you can picture this map, I got 1 to 2, and that's kind of Plymouth, New Bedford, 1 to 2 inches. And then we'll get a little bit more snow for a little bit more amount of time. That's going to be the Cape, and we'll be able to get 1 to 3 inches. The most amount of time where we're going to get our snow, and then perhaps the heaviest amount of snow where it'll be falling a little bit earlier, is going to be Nantucket. About 2 to 4 inches could be falling there. And for the city of Boston, it's a coating, but it's a very light coating of snow, if it even falls, depending on where the band's set up. So a coating of snow, but it's really not much snow to be talking about at all. Heaviest snow will kind of be for Nantucket around 10 a.m. in the morning all the way to about 4 p.m. in the afternoon before the snow drops off in intensity. So for the next 7 days, there's more clouds than not tomorrow, and perhaps that's snow at times, but for the city, I'm not worried about it during the day. And then Friday's mostly sunny, and then we're sunny for Saturday as well. Partly cloudy for Sunday, 37, and then take a look by Monday, partly cloudy as well. Tuesday's cloudy, but it's 42 degrees. So we got that potentially a storm coming by, but it'll be warm enough that we'll be talking about rain, and then it's 42 degrees and partly cloudy by the time we talk about Wednesday. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'll be back with another update tomorrow. Have a fantastic rest of your night.